Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into an open source AI agent that's free, fully local, and honestly one of the most powerful things you can run on your own laptop. The tool I'm talking about is OpenClaw. And before we dive in, imagine this. You're outside, maybe at work or with friends, and suddenly you remember there is an important file sitting on your laptop in the downloads folder and you need it urgently. But your laptop is miles away. Well, you don't need to worry now. We have OpenClaw doing all this for you, and by the end of this video, you will have a fully working setup that lets you run OpenClaw locally and completely free. No API keys needed at all. You will be able to integrate it with Telegram, so you can ask questions, request files, and even load images from your desktop, all through just chats. You will be able to connect it to your Google Workspace, read emails, manage your calendar, and retrieve any file from any folder on your laptop remotely on demand. The best part, everything is open source, zero cost, and full control. So, if that scenario I just described sounds like something you would want to solve, just stick around and let's get started. So, first of all, you need to go to ollama.com. Here you can download it for your Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever system you have. And then open your terminal and run command Ollama. Check its version. And you can even see a desktop folder is also created. You can use that as chatbot. And now we have to pick a good free AI model. Go to the site artificialanalysis.ai and here we can see different models along with their score. Let me filter it with open source model and here we have the Scheme K2.5 runs on cloud for free with very good accuracy and we're gonna use that. Come back to Ollama, click models and search for Kimi K2.5 cloud. Yeah, this is what we're gonna be using. Leave it here and open this OpenClaw site to install it. We'll be using this npm way to install OpenClaw, so make sure you have Node installed in your system with version 22 or above. Copy it, paste it. Now, while this is installing, you open Telegram from your mobile or your system and search for botfather. And make sure you go ahead with the one with blue tick on. Start it and then write slash new bot. Give it a name. Give it a username ending with bot. Let me try few names and looks like it takes the one which has letters in both upper cases and lower cases. Now OpenClaw is also installed. So let's go ahead with the next steps. I understand it. Yes, manual, enter, skip for now. In the model, let's go ahead with Kimi K2.5 Cloud and keep pressing enter and put everything as default. Select channel Telegram. You need to enter bot token which you got on Telegram. Yeah, paste it. Finished. Search provider. Skip for now. Configure skills. No. Enable hooks. Yeah, let's go with this session memory. Install it. Yes. And now come back to Telegram and open your app by clicking on link. And after this, we can see OpenClaw is saying agent failed as we do not have any API key. So one way would be to add API key from Ollama in this location. Let me show you where do we need to add it, but we will go ahead with another smart and easy way. Do ls-a. Here we have .openclaw. Open it using code. Now I'm sure you have this code installed or you can install it. And it will open folder in Visual Studio Code. And here in this models.json we can add API key. But let's go ahead with another better approach. We paused at Ollama at a particular point. Let's resume it from there. Copy this Ollama launch OpenClaw command. Copy this URL and paste it in your browser. Click on overview. We can see status is okay. Come to chat and say hi. And we can see it responded saying it's online. Now let's ask which model is it using. Copy paste this OpenClaw pairing command and do gateway restart. So say hi on Telegram. And we got this very nice reply from bot. So I'm using Telegram web. You can use it from your mobile or so. Okay, it is asking me to give a name. Let me say you are my OpenClaw Telegram bot. Let me ask from OpenClaw to send hi on Telegram. And we can see it is unable to do. Yeah, it is unable to find if we have done the setup. So let's look if there is some issue. Yeah, with Telegram we are able to access, but from here it is not picking it. And this might be because of open source model, which is not as smart as other paid frontier models for which we need to purchase that API key. But no worries, let's keep talking to the bot. Session key, label username. Yeah. Let me pass username. Yeah, this is the username. Let me pass the token. It's not secure, but since we are running things on local, I think we can go ahead. Yeah, now it needs chat ID. Let me pass the user ID here. And yes, it is able to send hi there. Yeah, we can see. Perfect. Yeah, now let's ask what all files do I have in my downloads folder in my machine? And I can see all the files present in my downloads folder. Let's open my downloads folder and see. Yeah, we have. So where is this mini forge? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so it has listed all my files present in downloads folder, all running locally. Yeah, isn't it amazing? Oh, it's really amazing. Okay, now let's do something else. Let's download a picture. You guys can also use one of the pictures from your mobile and add the picture in your Telegram and ask it to give details of the picture and also to save it in your desktop folder. So you can ask it using your mobile, or I'm doing it using my Telegram web. Isn't it cool? From your mobile, you are able to do it just by giving instruction to the bot. Yeah, let's wait for a few seconds and it gave us all the details and the file is present now in our desktop folder. Now let's set up Google Workspace. Remember one thing, since we are not using any nice paid frontier models, we might face issue at commands it generate and it might be a bit off and we have to ask bot repeatedly few things, but it's acceptable since ours is free model. So paste this command to install GOG Okay, go to Google Cloud Console, create a new project, come to API and services, enabled API section, go to credentials, create credential, go to auth client ID and configure consent screen, get started. Here, give some app name, give your email address, external. I recommend not to use your personal and create one specifically for OpenClaw and finish. Now come to API services, create credentials, auth client ID, select desktop app, give some name and create it. Yeah, download the JSON. We're gonna be needing this JSON soon. Now we have this client ID created. Oh, what is this? Let me remove it. I might have created it previously and we don't need it. Now we need to enable required APIs. Let's enable Gmail and Google Calendar. Go to library, search for Gmail, click here and enable it. Yeah, let's do the same for Google Calendar. Okay, I missed one thing. So search for Google Auth platform, go to audience and users and the same email ID here. Yeah, that's it. Now moving on to step 4, let me ask OpenClaw itself to do it. Open the client secret JSON you downloaded few minutes back and give it to OpenClaw. This is not recommended though, but I will do it for my ease. And we'll ask OpenClaw to proceed with the step 4. Let me pass my email ID. And we got this security node, we can ignore it for now. Things are working, it redirected me to this place. I will choose the same email account. Continue, select all. I will give my laptop password. Yeah, again. And let me do always allow. And it said Gmail is working fine. Okay, it is saying some tool not found, but we can ignore this error. Yeah, finally it said Google service connected properly. Let me check my last few emails. Let me open my email so that I can verify if whatever output I'm getting from OpenClaw is correct or not. So yeah, I have something from platform, Claude and Zapier related mails, and we can see the exact same thing. Now let's see Google Calendar integration. I have already my gym scheduled. So let me see if I can get this edited to some different time or so. Let's see what all is planned for today. And it is saying calendar is free, which is certainly incorrect. Ask if gym is not scheduled. Okay, it is giving issues with exec tool. Okay, let's enable these exec things. So go to agents, tools. Let me enable all of them and save it. We can see everything is enabled. Go to Node section, change security to full, and ask fallback to full. It is saying Monday gym is scheduled, but I checked calendar, it's not. So let me check if it has exec access. Yep, exec is working. I know it even got my calendar schedules for gym from 8 to 9 for entire week. Yeah. So it is asking me to delete these invites and create new one with updated timing. Yes, make it all 10 to 11. Yeah, looks like there is some intermittent issue with this session. No worries, we'll ask it to retry. And it is working, executing those GOG commands. And yes, we have calendar invites scheduled. Let me see it in my calendar. Okay, for today it is still the old schedule, but for other days it worked perfectly fine. See, all those issues are because we are not using good models, but no worries, we'll make the best out of whatever free model we have. Let me ask it to recheck for Monday. Okay, it says it's fixed. Okay, so gym Monday is also fixed. Yeah, there is some issue with time zone, but we can certainly ask it to further correct, but we can skip it for now. I guess you got the gist of it. And it might work fine for you guys in just one go. Let's configure WhatsApp now. Execute OpenClaw configure command. Select channels. Click WhatsApp. And yes, link through QR. Scan it from your mobile. The same way you do for WhatsApp web. And it's done. Linked. Let me give my mobile number here. Skip. Finish. Continue. Done. Yeah, so do OpenClaw gateway restart. You can open WhatsApp from mobile. Yeah, this is your number. Send hi. And we got the response. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's ask which model is it using. And we got the correct result. So the picture of bot that we had in our desktop, we can ask it to give me on WhatsApp. So this is what we talked in the beginning. Isn't it amazing? It can go to your laptop, search for files in any folder and get it to you on WhatsApp. And we got this picture. It's amazing. And with this, we reach the end of the video. Thank you. See you next one. Till then, do like and subscribe. And if you face any issue while trying to replicate the same, do post in the comment box. Thank you.